The flaring tool must be mounted the way it doesn't move during work. The best way is to put it in a vise. Put the lever from a side of a tool. Place required clamps on the tool and rotate tool head so the punch spacer was at the bottom. Place the pipe inside the clamps so it's touching punch spacer. Tighten up clamps so pipe doesn't move and align clamps by the lever. Rotate the tool head to choose required punch. Pull the lever to flare the pipe. Put on properly selected nipples and repeat flaring process on the other pipe's end. The tool makes flares on copper brake pipes of following diameters. The tool can make two types of flares, single and double. This movie shows how to make a single flare. To make double flare, after making single flare, rotate tool head to choose proper punch and once again pull the lever without moving the pipe out of clamps.